Hi everybody, today I am doing a haul of some items that I've picked up recently, so from Hermes. The first one being my new watch band. I'll just twist it around, and this is green menthe, I believe, and green means money, so I changed my orange croc. Finally, I've had it for over a year and I decided to change it because it's really bad. And here's the proof of purchase. Another item was just shipped to me today, so I'll show you guys that too. But it came in this little packaging. If you know Hermes, you would probably know what this is already. So I know people talk about the ribbons having a year on it. I don't think that I've had any ribbons that had the year on it, because I'm looking at this one and it just says Hermes Paris, no year. So maybe it's just the ones that I go to. Comes in this beautiful white box, and this says that inside, and I actually don't have it in the box. So I'm just gonna show you guys. It is this ring. Fits on my middle finger, but it has H in diamonds all around, as you guys can see. I love Hermes rose gold. It matches my watch face, and it looks like that. Let me put it back in the box so you guys can see. So here's how it looks. It's beautiful. I think I got the size 58 or 57 in this, but you guys can and I think that's a size 8.5 or maybe a 9 in regular women's size. I'm not entirely sure, but that was the second item that I got. And like I said, the other item I got, third item I got was shipped to me. It came like this with a bunch of air paper, and looks like this. Oh, oh gosh. There. And it came with this and proof of purchase. And this came from Miami because my store did not have it. So my SA ordered it for me. I hope I like them because they are a pair of shoes. Oh, so these are a pair of heels. So the dust bag is heel taps. Let me unbox it and show you guys at the same time. Ooh, that's so pretty. Here they are. So cute. This color is everything. Oh gosh. But this heel height, oof, I don't know if I can walk in these. So let's try it on. I'll show you guys some mod shots. Okay, I hope you guys found that video helpful and enjoyed it. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.